Alright, hello trades, it's double video today and I just want to talk about my Aussie dollar buy trade. So I got in here, it was this morning, probably about 8:30 in the morning. I was at work, I saw it. Yeah, there were a couple of thoughts here. It has, my concern is it has been running a little bit, but I need to see a little confirmation. So to me, that this is not getting late into the bounce, it would bring up the daily time frame. That would be, to me, I got in, I guess it was here. I like the look of that candle. It bottomed out a little bit, pushed a little higher, and I was trying to catch the bounce, and it did move a little bit. I moved to break even because my stop was based on the I think it was around 63.90, and I got it around 63, 64.30, 31 maybe. So the stop was around 40 odd pips, 41 pips, 42 pips with the spread. I'm with Sam Trade FX right now as well, and it pushed higher, and you know what? It sort of looks long again as well. I want to see what that candle does there, but that's not looking too terrible. So the Aussie could be another long here. Now, I did get in before the RBA rate decision. I had a couple views on this. Governor Lowe has been very steadfast and, presents as a straight shooter with, he does what he says he's going to do. And we're at 0.25 with the cash rate, and he said that was it. And then he did mention quantitative easing, but the thing that looked favorable for the Aussie dollar was it's a high beta currency, so risk sentiment really drives it, and equity markets were strong. Well, not strong, but they moved positively higher on Monday's session, both in the Australian markets and the US markets. So, and the US index was looking it was cooling off as well. It was below 99.50. So, all those pointed favorable, and the price action was pretty good on the daily, and I waited for that daily candle to close, and I knew getting into the Asian session was going to be pretty slow, but it actually moved. I mean, it got as high as 64, 62. So it actually moved enough for me. It wasn't actually quite 1R. It was probably 0.9 or 0.85 of 1R. But I moved to protect the capital, and it has sold off a little bit. Then it's bounced again, but it's just better than entry. Well, actually no, it's about 7 pips better than entry. If maximal spread is about 2 pips, so we've got about 5 pips better than entry right now. But this does look like it's pushing higher. Also want to touch upon the euro as well. Close that. I've got the window slightly open. It is quite windy in Perth right now, so there might be a little bit of background noise, but I try and get some airflow into the room. Now, the euro is interesting. It pushed pretty low. I won't go into the minutiae about what really drove this, but it's ECB stuff. And I was looking to short there, and I waited, and this candle closed like this. I stayed up barely to see it, and I was like, you know what, I'm not. If it was flatter, I would have probably sold it, but I didn't like it. I left it, and then this happened. I was not able to watch the markets at this time, unfortunately, and it moved. Let's see a pullback, and honestly, I'd prefer to sell into this than take a reversal because we've got resistance up here as well. So that's something to pay attention to. I'm going to conclude the video there, guys. And again, Aussie Euro, I'm watching Aussie long. Potentially. It doesn't look, like it's holding up actually. It definitely is holding up on the daily. And then I've got the 4 hour. Look at that. On the daily, it's it's not too bad. I'm going to watch this in the US session. And then the euro isn't too bad either. So I'd be looking for a pullback, and then maybe selling in the US session. We'll see. Anyway, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.